Okay, don't lose this bracelet because that ticket, no taco. Ahorita les voy a llevar al punto de encuentro, ahí les voy a decir a qué hora.
Oh, he's about to tell us in a little bit. Yes, sir. I'm about to give y'all the best tour of this. What's it? Island de Mujeres. Isla de Mujeres. I got y'all. And no one on YouTube does it like me, alright? So, let's go.
We have been starving. We have not ate at all this morning.
It's nice. It's nice though. Got a 7-Eleven. We gotta get one of those.
No, we gotta get
one of those.
Fish, my nigga.
Alright.
We're going to a fucking jewelry.
A jewelry store. Big homie, I ain't trying to buy no jewelry now. You hear me? So yeah, they gonna take you to a jewelry store. That bit definitely fake. Oh, we're about to taste tequila. We're about to taste tequila. But I'll throw up. I'm telling you, I'm gonna throw up. But we still tasting it. Ain't no bitches in us, boy.
I'm so fucking hungry. I need some food. I need some food in my system. And some alcohol.
Hey, I'm not trying to taste tequila, bro. I'll throw up.
I know.
God bless you. We're living with yours or without yours. 2 o'clock.
So they gonna leave you, so you got an hour to around the city. And we off. Now the tour officially starts. I got y'all, don't worry. All right, so what's first, bro? Oh yeah, we gotta find some food.
Get some food.
Y'all wanna get some food?
Just a little bit. Let's not overeat, bro.
I know, yeah, cause we're about to eat.
Yeah.
We'll get it like, I'm down for whatever.
Get some tacos. That motorcycle hard as fuck.
Well, you know how to drive a motorcycle, boy.
Bro, that would kill that. And on real camera.
Hey, you kill yourself, boy. And I'm not a real vlogger, bro. He don't do it like your boy Geo Buster, boy. He don't do it like me, boy. And he got a big ass camera for what, boy? What we doing in 7-Eleven?
Bro, they have a 7-Eleven here, bro. That's crazy.
Oh hell, no, I'm not waiting that line, bro. Bro, y'all want to eat real? Y'all want to eat real food?
Let's go get some real, bro.
I know.
Let's go, bro. Come on. I don't know why you even came.
Pharmacy. I'm trying to get some.
Oh, let's go check out what they got.
Go in there and that's what they got.
They got everything, bro.
I'm trying to stop by? Huh?
No, let's go get food, bro. So this is the strip.
Damn, it's hot out here.
Why not, bro? I want to hear the they got the Dolphins. Miami Dolphins.
Jaguars, Jacksonville Jaguars, right there. It's like a big
Oh, we got Cialis.
What is that?
They got, I don't know, Cialis?
What's the Cialis?
Each other. What do you mean? You gonna fuck forever.
Oh.
Like forever.
Yo, you can buy drugs here legally?
Yes.
What the fuck is this?
Yes, you can buy anything.
Ain't no way.
Yeah.
How much Cialis?
Bring the log, bring the log. What flavor? What flavor?
For what? Oh, hey. You want something on? Not for your size, boy. I'm trying to eat, man. I'm hungry. Oh, they got.
Hey, come on, why meat tattoos?
Está bien.
Hey, amigos.
Want cigars, amigos?
No, amigo, gracias. What's that on? Hey. Let's get back to
YFB tattoos. If it was a hot on, bro, I'd be down. You got Cubans, you got great.
But what we been eating?
About a drink.
We're trying to, but we got someone always slowing us down, bro.
They got bar right there. Where?
Chill. Wanna go try it?
They got
Let me ask.
Se llama Qué Bravo el restaurancito.
¿Cómo?
Pero traen lana, o sea, porque ahí sí, pues.
Sí.
traen billetito. Bueno,
¿Cómo cuánto?
pues depende.
$20.
Más o menos como 20,
Sí.
$20, $30.
One drop.
Está bien, vas a comer bien. Ya vas a comer quesadillas, burritos, tacos, todo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Qué bravo. Antes de que cierren, porque cierran como a las 2 de la tarde.
Okay, they close that too. Let's go. Yeah, gracias. All right, we're about to go get some food. About to go get some food.
Man, you think I can take that Adderall to America? Nah. Maybe.
The guy like opened my bag.
I think it's either that one or the next. He said 2 or 3. I don't know what the fuck he told me, but if it's not here, we'll try the next one. Come on. They got a lot of pharmacies.
That's crazy.
Cause they got Xanax in there, bro.
They got anything, bro. It's crazy, bro. I can't believe that.
They got
Every store is a pharmacy. That's how they make their money. Everything. I'm telling you, every corner has a pharmacy.
take a right. Hey. Take a right. It should be around here somewhere, bro. Oh, he told me. I don't know if it's down there. They say where that red taxi is over there.
Maybe here, bro. Should have rented mopeds. That shit would have been hard. We definitely, somebody would definitely bust their ass. It would be Sedin would bust his ass too.
Probably Anon.
You bust your ass in those quarters. About you. Yeah, you think I can play that game.
Alright, everybody go to that restaurant, man.
What kind of restaurant is it?
They have everything. They have burrito, all that. Enchiladas, fajitas, all that. Alright, 280 pesos.
280 pesos?
Yes.
How much is 100 pesos?
100 pesos is
$5. $10. It's like, yeah, he's giving us it's like $12, $13. Go the hell about each of us? 100 Fridays.
How those? You like them?
Good, bro.
Yeah. Check it out. Bang. You know, snack. That's a chicken one.
That's like $20.
The first one was pretty good.
That chicken one is fire.
Bro?
Yeah.
I like the chicken one the most, bro.
What's this? Yeah, the chicken one's fire.
Chicken one was the best.
I'm not sure what's this called, but this is what it looks like. It's good. They got everything. They got burritos, tacos, everything. So. And we back. Just like that. Back with my dog Tiki Tiki.
I told you we were right next to him.
My dog Tiki Tiki. Y'all want to try some tequila?
Down.
Let's go. Let's go.
I gotta get you fucked up.
I'm not drinking.
I gotta get you fucked up like last night.
What happened to be?
Nothing, bro. I'm keeping my
Mouth shut,
Me
exactly.
and you gonna take some tequila shots, dog.
keeping my
And
alcohol
I'll be
virginity.
taking tequila shots.
I never drink a sip of alcohol ever, bro. Y'all have no proof.
I was throwing up. Of course. Look who's at the free tequila
What
shop.
kind of drink is that?
Pineapple.
Oh, you go last. All right, we finally leaving. We found my dog. Oh, right here. ¿Cuánto?
Pour it on. I mean, yo, how much is quince, bro?
15.
Okay, that's how much you're leaving. What's that? What's that doing? Tahini.
You like spicy?
He's not gonna like it.
No one does.
He's not gonna. This shit's good. This shit's good.
My dad and
It's good. I don't know.
That shit's fire. I can drench that shit in that and I'll eat it, bro. Look, I told her extra. Like we're in the jungle.
we definitely got an ATV, bro.
How much ATV into this, bro?
About to go eat, about to go turn up. And then we about to go back to the resort and then turn up again, boy. I like this nature walk. It's nice. Damn, my shit fogging up on me, boy. Beach is that way, I'm guessing. What the hell is that? Ribs?
One day, bro, I'm gonna learn Spanish. Mark my words, camera.
You should. Second most used language. Hey. That bit lit. That shit hard. Bar made of ice? It's an ice bar?
Cold ice bar.
That's clean.
What do you mean? Like
It's made out of ice. The only made of ice.
Only bar made of ice.
The coolest place in Mexico. Oh, that's hard. That is hard. I want to check this out for sure. They got a. It's gonna be like that one SpongeBob episode where everything was frozen, bro. Shut your ass. Welcome parking. I need to pee, bro.
Yeah, Nick got
Give me some more.
Jill got that aloe at home, right, Jill? Nice little aloe at home.
You're the boy from the jack off the elevator.
It smells good, bro. It's nice, smooth, moisturizing.
Hey, bro, they're gonna like pull up like a foot.
I thought this bit was made out of ice. I thought this bit was.
Gio said ice.
Hold on, bro. We still early. Relax.
It is the ice cold, right? It is the ice cold.
Everybody please quiet and listen to me, please. Everybody quiet and listen to me. Okay, this is ice bar front.
Where's the
Where
ice?
is the buffet line? The buffet line is all the way down. In the corner of the line, you will find the plates. You have to plate, chop your food, and then if you want to eat on the beach, it's okay.
Oh,
If you want to eat,
beach for sure.
it's okay too.
Hell no, I'm hungry. Let me go eat. I'm not even that hungry, honestly, bro. I'm really not hungry. I'm still gonna see what's up.
Try to that beach club.
No, I'm still gonna see what's up.
I think I got beach club over there, bro. Don't worry.
Yeah, he got a Man City shirt. I spotted a Man City fan. Oh, bro, him right there. Right there. Yeah, I spotted a Man City fan.
Madrid. Man United, bro.
Yeah, they all suck.
Best club in the world, mate. Mate,
Yeah.
Manchester United, best club in the world. Europa League next year.
Oh shit! Hey, she said, "Hey, look," she said, "Hell no."
Manchester United, best club in the world.
What do you support? You know what I support? Real Madrid.
What'd you say?
Thanks a lot. I'm sorry. Hey, y'all got the FA Cup. Y'all good. Y'all got the FA Cup.
You know who's Liverpool's biggest fan? Right here.
Hey, oh yeah. Right here. Liverpool. Mr. Liverpool, Miss Liverpool.
Yeah, exactly.
Manchester United's the best club.
Fist bump.
Let's give him a fist bump. Fist bump.
Fist bump, man. Yes, sir. Now buy her a drink and on it. Don't talk about the Barca fan.
Can't even make it to the finals. You ain't gonna win it either, bro. What's the difference? Bet. $100. Stupid, I don't, brother.
You really got that?
85 million. Let's be realistic now. I saw the. Hey, you bought the add-ons. They can suck them off that.
Is this? Oh, they got a spa. They got a spa. They do.
Sign in.
Is that included?
Is this included?
I don't want a bicycle.
That's not the bicycle.
Is that for the spa? Oh, where's the? Oh yeah. Yeah, I was gonna do the ice bar. Is that that spa included or no?
This is included as long as you stay on the menu.
No, I'm talking about that right there.
Oh, the massage?
Your massage.
probably not.
What's that for? I know.
Ice board?
Little fish. No, but it's
Have 20 cents, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
No, the ice bar. It's a ice.
It's made out of
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't want to do bicycle. No, this is not for the bicycle.
This is for the ice.
I don't want to use this.
So that's what I want to
This
do.
is for the bicycle. This is if you don't want a bicycle.
Oh, I don't want a bicycle.
25 for 2 persons.
Oh, okay, gracias.
For about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Braids, they're like 6'9". They got the function.
Ah, I do want braids, but. Ooh. Oh, they got ice cream too.
Switch straight back. Like Jorge Mas.
Damn, bro. I knew they were gonna do hair braids somewhere. Fuck. You already took a bite of it, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, no cap. Like, it's a buffet, so I understand. But it's very mid. Don't you think?
Mid, bro. It's like some stuff's like hit and a miss.
I mean, just look at that, bro.
Chicken is gas, bro. Like some shit your grandma would have made you. The rice, but it tastes like my fucking shoes. Like, bro, some stuff's a hit, some stuff's a miss. But
The
overall,
mashed, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know what? But like, I ain't gonna complain because
food is food, bro.
yeah, food is food. So, but everybody eat. Everybody hit. I might buy me an ice cream. I gotta see. If they take card, I'll buy me one. And then after that, the beach. So I'll beat y'all. We're gonna see y'all there. And I'm sweating, bro. Oh my god, I need to hop in. I don't want to eat too much because I don't want my stomach to hurt, but I do want some ice cream. Because if I do not want to use the bathroom, especially here. But so far today was good, bro. Today was chill.
Bro, we went on.
Well, there's only so much to do at the resort. Like,
Yeah.
it's cool and all,
Like here,
but
bro,
it's always there.
We went to a goddamn island. The
Exactly.
island was clean as fuck. I'll fuck with the island.
That's what I'm saying. We went to an island.
Did you record it when we got the $1 tacos? Best shit in the world. Swear to God, Gordon Ramsay don't got shit on that taco.
Oh, look, we're like in a little hut right now. But hurry up, man. I'm trying to go. Eat up, boy. Eat up. Eat up. Yum, 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 yum. There you go, that beach looks nice, bro. I really want to go hit the beach.
Let's go.
Alright. Let's go check the ATM or if they take card. I hope. I want some ice cream. You want to come back later?
Honestly, I want to get my shit.
I'm going to do one later, bro.
Fuck it out.
Okay. Venimos a rato. Gracias.
When we finna leave?
Yeah. We take it on the boat.
I thought you said you can't bring anything back.
Man, this bit raw. Oh, my camera about to die. Bro, this junk dies so quick, bro. I mean, I used it all day, but
Why don't you
still,
just get
bro.
another battery?
I need to, bro, but damn. I need to. What are they over there? Beach bar. Oh, the tiki bar. Wanna go to the bar?
Fuck it.
No cow. About to go get crunk. There you go.
Bro, if they have mango juice, I'm just gonna have mango juice.
And I'm getting that Miami Vice. Facts, B. No cow. ¿Qué tienen aquí? ¿No tienen alcohol? Como bebidas de alcohol, no.
Alcohol, piña colada.
Oh, ¿puedo dar una?
Sí. Sí, todo en efectivo. No tengo tarjeta.
¿No tienes? Dang.
Y si tienen en dólares serían $14.
$14. Shit. ¿Por una? Shit. This is also a damn pina colada.
How much?
14. I'm straight on that. Got free at the resort. Don't cap. And just like that. Just like that, our day is over. Our day, not our night. Our day.
Here's what I'm gonna have to say. When we first started, I thought this was gonna be awful, trash. It's like a whole boat. You're looking at the vibe, views, everything that you're doing. Going to the island. It's honestly a beautiful experience.
Definitely, it was a good experience for sure.
It was a chill day.
Just think about it.
Nice way.
If you asked me when was the last time you did something like this, I can tell you never. My first time. You know what I mean? And you know what I'm saying? That's all that matters. Instagram in the bio. Don't count.